If the Q of a single-stage single-tuned amplifier is doubled, the bandwidth will A. Remain the same, B. Become half, C. Become double, D. Become 4 times. The correct answer is become half. In full wave rectification, if the input frequency is 50 Hz, then frequency at the output of filter is A. 50 Hz, B. 0 Hz, C. 100 Hz, D. 75 Hz. The correct answer is 0 Hz. The circuit in the given figure is A. Low pass filter, B. High pass filter, C. Band pass filter, D. Band reject filter. The correct answer is low pass filter. The turn ratio of a transformer is 21. If a load of 10 is connected across the secondary, what will be the effective resistance seen looking into the primary? A. 2K, B. 4K, C. 8K, D. 32K. The correct answer is 4K. In a CE amplifier circuit, the AC voltage between emitter and ground A is very high, B may be high or low, C is 0, D depends on circuit configuration. The correct answer is 0. A 120 V 30 Hz source feeds a half-wave rectifier circuit through a 4 one-step down transformer. The average output voltage is A 30 V, B 13.5 V, C 10 V, D 7.07 V. The correct answer is 13.5 V. The slew rate of an ideal op amp is A. Very slow, B. Slow, C. Fast, D. Infinitely fast. The correct answer is infinitely fast. Regulation of the DC power supply of 12 V 100 mA is the effective resistance of power supply is 20. A. 22, B. 131, C. 30, D. 20. The correct answer is 20. In the circuit of figure V18V and V20, which diode will conduct? Assume ideal diodes. A. D1 only, B. D2 only, C. Both D1 and D2, D. Neither D1 nor D2. The correct answer is D1 only. A transistor has a maximum power dissipation of 350 MW at an ambient temperature of 25 C. If derating factor is 2 MW, C, the maximum power dissipation for 40 C ambient temperature is A. 300 MW, B. 330 MW, C. 350 MW, D. 380 MW. The correct answer is 350 MW. The output voltage waveform of a CE amplifier is fed to a DC coupled CRO. The trace on the screen will be A. DC output voltage, B. AC output voltage, C. Sum of DC and AC output voltage, D. Either A or B. The correct answer is sum of DC and AC output voltage. In an RC phase shift oscillator, the total phase shift of the 3 RC lead networks is A. 360, B. 180, C. 90, D. 0. The correct answer is 180. In the circuit of figure 100, an quiescent value of base current is 20 A. The quiescent value of collector current is A. 0.2 A, B. 2 A, C. 2 mA, D. 20 mA. The correct answer is 2 mA. Values of Vt at 20 C for an ideal PN diode. A. 25.27 mV, B. 30.3 mV, C. 23 mV, D. 50 mV. The correct answer is 25.27 mV. In figure, which diode will conduct and what will be the value of V0? A. D31V, B. D12V, C. D25V. D. D15V. The correct answer is D25V. For the amplifier circuit of figure, the H parameters of transistor are HIP25H FB 0.999H obtain 6. The voltage gain is A 0.999, B 1.98, C 20, D 400. The correct answer is 400. In figure VCC 30 VR1 200K and R2 100K. If VB 0.7V, the voltage across RE, A 20V, B 19.3V, C 10V, D 9.3V. The correct answer is 9.3V. A negative feedback can be of A 2 types, B 3 types, C 4 types, D only one type. The correct answer is 4 types. In a Class C power amplifier, the input frequency of AC signal is 1 MHz. If tank circuit has C 1000 PF, the value of L, A 25H, B 50H, C 100H, D 200H. The correct answer is 25H. The VO of the op-amp circuit shown in the given is A 11Vi, B 10Vi, C Vi, D 0. The correct answer is 0. In calculating output impedance of an amplifier, the source is replaced by an open circuit. A true, B false, C, D. The correct answer is false. For transistor 2N338, the manufacturer specifies Pmax 100 MW at 250 C free air temperature and maximum junction temperature of 125 C. Its thermal resistance is A10 CW, B100 CW, C1000 CW, D5000 CW. The correct answer is 1000 CW. In figure, base current is 10A and DC 100. Then VE, A5V, B10V, C15V, D20V. The correct answer is 15V. It has been found that in a rectifier circuit with RC filter, one RC section reduces ripple by 15. 2 RC sections are used in cascade. The reduction in ripple would be A15, B30, C150, D225. The correct answer is 225. An op-amp has A low input and output impedance, B low input impedance and high output impedance, C low output impedance and high input impedance, D high output impedance and high input impedance. The correct answer is low output impedance and high input impedance. As the ratio RF-RL increases, the efficiency of a rectifier increases. A true, B false, C, D. The correct answer is false. Assuming VCE sat 0.2 V and 50, the minimum base current IB required to drive the transistor in the given figure to saturation is A56A, B140A, C60A, D3A. The correct answer is 56A. A half-wave diode rectifier uses a diode having forward resistance of 50 ohms. The load resistance is also 50 ohms. Then the voltage regulation is A20, B50, C100, D200. The correct answer is 100. A Hartley oscillator is used for A very low frequencies, B radio frequencies, C microwave frequencies, D audio frequency. The correct answer is radio frequencies. In class C operation, the collector current looks like A. Full sine wave, B. Half sine wave, C. Narrow pulses, D. Nearly half sine wave. The correct answer is narrow pulses. An op-amp integrating circuit uses A. An inductor, B. A capacitor, C. Both inductor and capacitor, D. None of the above. The correct answer is a capacitor. A CE amplifier has RE6 100 and a 0.98. The input impedance is A6, B 100, C 600, D 98. The correct answer is 600. A full-wave diode rectifier using center tapped transformer has diodes with forward resistance of 50 ohms each. The load resistance of 50 ohms each. The load resistance is also 50 ohms. The voltage regulation is A 20, B 50, C 100, D 200. The correct answer is 100. Leakage current approximately doubles for every 10 C increase in the temperature of a transistor has ICBO 400 Na at 25 C, then its leakage current at 80 C. A 10 A, B 18 A, C 20 A, D 15 A. The correct answer is 18 A. An amplifier has open loop gain of 100, input impedance 1K and output impedance 100. If negative feedback with 0.99 is used, the new input and output impedances are A10 and 1, B10 and 10K, C 100K and 1, D 100K and 10. The correct answer is 100K and 1. In a BJT amplifier, the power gain from base to collector is 4000. The power gain in dB is A 3.6, B 36, C 7.2, D 72. The correct answer is 36. In figure, secondary winding has 40 turns. For maximum power transformer to 2 ohm resistance, the number of turns in primary is A 20, B 40, C 80, D 160. The correct answer is 80. In a CE amplifier circuit, the DC voltage between emitter and ground A is always 0, B cannot be 0, C may or may not be 0, D is negative. The correct answer is cannot be 0. A buffer amplifier should have A high output impedance and high input impedance, B high output impedance and low input impedance, C low output impedance and low input impedance, D low output impedance and high input impedance. The correct answer is low output impedance and high input impedance. If the differential voltage gain and the common mode voltage gain of a differential amplifier are 48 dB and 2 dB respectively, then its common mode rejection ratio is A 23 dB, B 25 dB, C 46 dB, D 50 dB. The correct answer is 46 dB. An NPN transistor has a beta cutoff frequency f of 1 MHz and a common emitter short circuit low frequency current gain 0 of 200. Its unity gain frequency ft and the alpha cutoff frequency fa2 respectively are A 200 MHz 201 MHz, B 200 MHz 199 MHz. C 199 MHz 200 MHz, D 201 MHz 200 MHz. The correct answer is 200 MHz 201 MHz. In figure, if the transistor is cut off, the collector voltage is equal to A VCC, B 0.5 VCC, C, D 0. The correct answer is VCC. If input frequency is 50 Hz, the frequency of output wave in a full wave diode rectifier circuit is A 25 Hz, B 50 Hz, C 100 Hz, D 200 Hz. The correct answer is 100 Hz. A Class A transformer coupled power amplifier is to deliver 10 watts output. The power rating of transistor should not be less than A 5 watts, B 10 watts, C 20 watts, D 40 watts. The correct answer is 20 watts.